Isn't it ironic how them panic gorilla govern the planet? When me planet my flow them mechanic them can't go beyond it.
Alright, so people being as a Vybz Kartel is more lyrical than Busy Signal. And some say Busy Signal is more lyrical than Vybz Kartel. And that's why in the video we choose to go upon a lyrical exploration to find out who more lyrical than who. And this should be a fun one. Me could deal with it.
Killer, that's Godzilla. Killer, that's Godzilla. Killer, that's Godzilla.
And we're gonna use the song here. That's Godzilla, which is Bounty Killer featuring Vybz Kartel and Busy Signal. The three man them went very hard upon the song here, but Vybz and Busy Signal verse are out of this world. It's like the man them did prove something to each other. Me no know. But disclaimer though, one song alone can't tell who lyrical more than who. This would have to be a whole series where we have cover Vybz Kartel lyrical songs them and Busy Signal lyrical songs them. But this is still a start anyways. And the next thing, when I go review the full song, we just review the two man them verses, which I believe is very creative. But before we start, you know the number one priority. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, make it to our goal, which is 90 to 95k subscribers. We just like 1,900 away from that goal. But it's possible, so make it happen. That being said, we could get into action.
Yalla! Step out with a bag again, more money to the money bag again.
Oh, and I forgot to mention, me not go disclose who me think more lyrical. I go just review them verses, break down the lyrics them, and only tell me who more lyrical when everything done. But who more lyrical is in my head. But me not go disclose it to Uno. But me have who me think it is. And Uno can make me know who Uno think it is in the comment section below. That being said, shall we begin?
Yeah, some boy attack, but them know that.
And first, we talk about the concept of the song, which Vybz Kartel cover pretty well in a theme verse. Which when they feature artists on a song, that's their job. However, for a song like this to feature two more artists different from the original artist, the man who said figure last can say anything that them verse. Them now have to stick to the topic or a specific concept. Being that the man who goes second up the job there. Similar to Vybz Kartel royalty with Extinct Taxian, Vybz Kartel verse come last on that song, which means you don't have to stick to the concept of the song, being that is last. And me say that we said this, the person who always chose to go last on them type of song there have an opportunity for be lyrical and say what them want to say. Being a song like this now, the concept is them highlighting Bounty Killer as the godfather of dancer, the man who brings some legends in the game. But me can take a listen of a Vybz Kartel verse, which him deal with rational.
Ready, Bounty Killer make me rich. You deaf little bitch. In my plug we coulda never beat the switch. That they make me travel on the Brooklyn Bridge.
And the Vybz Kartel found him can do it away. If you listen to the full song, you will know that. It's like him change the whole direction of the song. And the way him start can tell us, yo, the man go in. The man go in as a lyrical artist. Or going as being lyrical. The man say ready. Bounty Killer make me rich. You deaf little bitch. In my plug coulda never be the switch. That they make me travel on the Brooklyn Bridge. He might tell the people Bounty Killer do for him. He might praise Bounty Killer for the works and for bring him to the world. So Bounty Killer make him travel on the Brooklyn Bridge. And him the plug, which mean without Bounty Killer, nothing can work. You need him in order for you have a light in order for work.
Enough big house, enough bank account in a place in a close when we could not pronounce full suit of say in a queue account.
And yes, that's the part of fly over most people head, but thank God some there. And as I say, him a praise Bounty Killer. Bounty make him see the opportunity of traveling the world. Take first class like straight to Paris. Enough big house, enough bank account in a place in a clothes I couldn't pronounce. Full suit of usage in a queue account. And the most highlighted part for me, how creative him put the words them together. The man saying a place in a clothes them couldn't pronounce. Then goes down to pronounce the word Versace, which is a clothing brand. Full suit of Versace. I remember him talking at the past, you know. He couldn't pronounce the word Versace. And him be creative by telling you how he used to pronounce it. And doing this while being lyrical, just tell who you are as a lyrical artist. In imagination, no normal.
Like a dog plate, money up than Carleon. Killer do that, never have to do that in my over. Buddha make me life sweet, sugar dream, fuck a nightmare, Freddy Krueger's in Booba.
And yes, I them find very creative and put together. You realize them start from the past, then the present, then the future. Bounty Killer stand them a road making get rich. Bag a dog plate, money enough than Carleon. Then it's a Killer do that, which mean at the end of the story, Killer do that, never have to do that in my over. Buddha make a life sweet, sugar dreams, touch a nightmare, Freddy Krueger's in. Rug up on my belly jeans. Yeah, them two celebrities rhyme there. Plus the man they on beat too.
Every day, rug up on my belly jeans full of money green. Me turn up the scheme, disappear bulla. Any boy, this is Zilla, we a crucify.
Every day, rug up on my belly jeans, we turn up the scheme, disappear bulla. What mean when him say disappear bulla? Is it someone from the scheme him kill? when he Bulla, or that Bounty Killer make him rich so no more Bulla film eat, no more Bulla and Pierre. Cause him rich now. Double entendre? Probably. Me no know.
Any boy, this is Illa, we are crucified. Me rifle them and sing them lullaby. Over universe, Starship, Enterprise.
I'm open up pay attention to how easy man I go, but still it come off as being lyrical. And this is one of few definition of being lyrical. And we still get a Busy Signal verse. He did the same thing too. You listen to legends that work fam. Them wanna know for write and put a song together. Artists like them I can keep dancehall where it is. Now the artists them we hear out the way I try be lyrical or I try make song. Them wanna do it easy and make it sound hard.
Pussy know what you say about Mr. Price. Bounty Killer, that's Godzilla.
And that's the end of Vybz Kartel verse. Rate Femon in the comment section below. Because we get the Busy Signal one next. And as I say, Busy never forward for play. The boss deal with it away fam. And the reason why Femon is so standout is because and every day we hear a lyrical Busy Signal song. So we do hear one like this, we have to appreciate it, stop and listen to lyrics and miss them good. And hear the man say perfectly because he's the next one who up there with lyrics too. I'm not gonna hear what going. I can get in 9 verse.
Isn't it ironic or them panic gorilla go on the planet when me planet my flow them mechanic them can go beyond it my lyrics them sick too.
And you see why me tell you say is the next one to understand the game. Him start film verse with creativity too. The man kiss him teeth. Isn't it ironic or them panic govern the planet? The man say a bag of things my flow them iconic them cannot go beyond it. My lyrics then sick too much and then give a cough up hard lib like a vomit. Brother the man say a bag of things bro. And they make it sound like him say brother what is fam? Me show you how it's done and the man go in and guess what? Him never come out.
Them a try to run from it like a sonic chat about me atomic. Must they made with a matic no plutonic. Me chat to kill a telepathic. The signal never static. It never.
I want to hear more creativity now. Busy, no normal. And next part you might fly over no head. The man say bust them head with a matic, no platonic. Me chat to kill a telepathic. The signal never static. The signal never static as in the signal never get problem. In chat to kill a telepathic freely. But it's that double entendre. Busy signal. Him, busy signal, never static. The signal when you start to kill a telepathically, if that is a word. It never static. Nice double entendre. Very creative.
Static so me step out in a black like fucking got it. And me got it and I knock it in a traffic like a graphic. Machine them not go stick. Me dog them sick.
It was like the man give 12 bars, then him switch and give next 12 again. Me step out in a block like got it and I got it and I knock it in a traffic like a graphic. I remember before that him have the telepathic lines them and sonic, bomb, atomic. The man I see a bag of things will make sense too. Machine them now go stick. My dog them sick. Forensic never see me gun it, never go ballistic. Jano. The man I tell you about him crime. Him didn't think so neat and even know who do it. And forensic never get him gun yet for evil. For do examine pan if you check the serial number and him something. Him crime is very clean. There's no trace.
Never go ballistic. One in the head. Divide them big head like politics. Abracadabra the Mackie level show all the tricks.
One in the head divide them big head like politics. When you circle and mess the lyrics there carefully. These are the type of lyrics where you can sit down and say Jano and come up with that. Again, this is what I describe as being lyrical. The man say divide them big head like politics. Remember them saying a religion a division and so is politics. So it's a perfect simile and it could even go off as a metaphor too. Because man make comparison with politics and head getting divided in two. Or an abracadabra, Mackie level show all the tricks. Jano.
Bounty Killer, Rodney, Basil, Price, no men not gimmicks, unscrupulous, anonymous, gorillas, lot of crops.
It's when artists get mad pan a beat and them just go in. This is what you call that. Similar to Vybz Kartel Sociopath when the man never hold back. No. At the same time, Busy Signal the writers. And if you chop lyrics like this in the people, are something very hard for you. You have to master this. No people want to do this and chat foolishness. Or them get the first 3 rhymes and can't find nothing else rhyme with it after. But the man keep on a rhyme and it makes sense and it makes sense and it make more sense. Especially the man say a scrupulous and he must. When the artist reach the level and start say some unusual words, just know them transform pan the beat. It's like them brain start work differently. Even them impress themselves sometimes. They can just go from now till a morning. Sometime, you know, I read him, they make we the listeners and get the next verse. You don't know it start over, so chorus again.
Killer, that's Godzilla. Bounty Killer, that's Godzilla. Bounty Killer, that's Godzilla. Bounty Killer.
And for all who know, I think Vybz Kartel or Busy Signal did aware so each other get featured upon the song. It was an open verse song where both artists was meant to make a verse dedicated to Bounty Killer's chorus. Cause Vybz and Busy Signal are good from Owen. I don't know if the main fences now. So instead of people asking them to do a song, Bounty Killer just get the verses them from each artist and just put it upon the song. And hear it sound perfect. So I think none of the 2 artists them know. So them did not get featured upon the song. Or probably Bounty Killer did tell them. Me no know. But nonetheless, the song turned out perfectly. And the more to narrate Busy Signal's verse. And me know which one of the artists they more lyrical, judging from the song alone. And me know this is gonna be a very big debate in the comment section, but I'm here for it. And as me say, me not gonna tell you know which artist me think is more lyrical. That's up to me to know and Uno for find out. And I would say this, Busy Signal are one of the hidden lyricists them in a dance. Just like you have Damian Marley, them man the lyrical tune, people don't know that, you know, or most people don't know, you know. And I would say, oh again, me can't remember none right now, but hidden lyricists, some artists where you know them lyrical, but they never yet show it like this, but you can hear it. Anyways, that's all I'm ever say. If you want to see more video like this or you want to break down a song or review a lyrical song, drop a song in the comment section below. And let me know what I go on. Dance Vybz out.
From the god out, the young out, clip long out. 32 like the teeth, them in them.